Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 10 programming languages for 2024. So let's go ahead and get started. So for each language on the list, we're going to start from top to bottom. We're going to take a look at the features and use cases for each language. So let's go ahead and start off with the top programming language. Starting off as the number one programming language is JavaScript. Its key strengths are its versatility in the front end and back end development and its widespread use in web applications. So this is primarily a web application. However, you can also use it for standalone applications as well and to write services. So number one, JavaScript. Coming in at number two is Python. Its key strengths are its easy syntax, extensive libraries for data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Really anything you can think of, there is probably a library in Python for it. And its use cases are for AI, machine learning, web applications, and data science. So number two, Python. Coming in at number three is Google Go or Golang. Its key strengths are its simple syntax, efficient concurrency model, and fast compilation. So some of the use cases for Golang are cloud services, distributed systems, and high performance applications. So that's number three, Google Go. Coming in at number four is Java, and Java's been around a long time. Its key strengths are platform independence, robustness, and extensive libraries. And some of the use cases for Java really can be used for almost anything: enterprise applications, Android app development, and web applications. So that's number four, Java. At number five on our list is Kotlin, and its key strengths are interoperability with Java, concise syntax, and safety features. Some of the use cases for Kotlin are modern Android app development and cross-platform applications. Number five, Kotlin. At number six on the list is PHP, and its key strengths are widely used for server-side scripting and easy integration with HTML. It's primarily used for web development, content management systems, and content management systems like WordPress. So number six, PHP. Coming in at number seven on our list is C#, and it's part of the .NET framework, and it's the object-oriented, strongly typed language from Microsoft. Some of the use cases for C# are enterprise applications, Windows desktop applications, and game development with the Unity framework. So very flexible language. Number seven, C#. Number eight on our list is Swift, and its key strengths are safety, performance, and modern syntax. And some of the use cases for Swift are iOS and Mac OS applications and interactive media. So number eight, Swift. Number nine on our list is R, and some of its key strengths are statistical analysis, data visualization, and data science applications. And some of the use cases are data analysis, statistical modeling, and bioinformatics. And finally, number 10 on our list is Ruby. Its key strengths are its elegant syntax and productive web development with Rails. Some of the use cases are web applications and rapid prototyping. So that's number 10, Ruby. Well, that's it for our top 10 list of programming languages for 2024. It represents a diverse set of languages that support a multitude of applications and industries that they influence. And this list will continue to change with the ever-evolving tech landscape. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 10 programming languages for 2024. So let's go ahead and get started.